And now it's time for our viewer poll review. Earlier we asked you, have you ever spotted an alligator in Victoria? 53% of you say yes, and 47% of you say no. We also asked you, do you use AI to help you with your daily task? 91% of you say yes, and 9% of you say no. Come to crossroadstoday.com/vote to take part in our viewer poll. And now we get to meet a Victoria East cheerleading coach, Miss Amber Kelly.
Hello, nice to meet y'all. Nice to be here.
Yes, it's very nice to see you. And I got a glimpse of a little bit of the cheerleading at Convocation.
Yes, ma'am.
It was fantastic.
Thank you.
I love all the
Thank
energy
you.
in the room.
Very exciting to be there.
And you've got some fun news coming, or you have a fun event coming up.
Yes, ma'am. We have our Little Cheer Workshop. It's one of our biggest fundraisers that we do each year. My personal favorite. We get to work with all kids throughout the community, starting at ages 4 all the way up to the middle school age. And we welcome everyone, individuals or even just full squads, but we have a lot of fun. They get to work with us personally, learning different routines, and then they get to have a parent performance at the very end.
Oh, wow.
Showcasing what they learned. Yes.
So there's still time to sign up.
Yes.
And is the best way to do that with an email?
Yeah, so we have, you can send us an email at victoriaeastcheer@gmail.com. We worked with a couple of the local elementary schools and dropped off some flyers, so hopefully y'all will be seeing those through like take-home folders that first week of school. But we also have Instagram and Facebook. I believe it's VEHS Cheer. Okay. And we've been posting those flyers also in local Facebook groups. And there's a QR code you can scan, go ahead and register and save your spot, because we want to get as many kids in as possible.
And this is something you'll do annually?
Yes, we do. Every single year. What's cool is we have a lot of girls on our current team that started at the clinic. So wow. It's very neat to see it come full circle, and then those specific girls are now teaching the clinic. So it's interesting because a lot of the girls that attend end up coming to either East or they go to a local high school, and they get to kind of venture out in their own little cheerleading world.
And there's more than just the moves, right? You're teaching leadership, you're teaching these young girls how to be role models.
Absolutely. We want to make sure that they kind of set the expectations from the beginning, how to act in the community, how to, yes, cheers and dances and motions, but also just the benefits of cheerleading as a whole and what it can do, and kind of spreading that team mentality.
And is there a deadline to sign up?
We would like everyone, we had a deadline on August 9th that was like you were guaranteed a t-shirt, but we take registrations all the way up until ideally like the Thursday before the 23rd, so I think that's the 21st.
Okay,
we'd like to get, yes, there's definitely still time, so to register, and if you feel like you're hitting the deadline, reach out via email, because we're not going to tell you no. We want as many kids in as possible. Well,
it sounds like a great opportunity, especially as the school year is getting started, and
yes.
You've got to keep up that school spirit.
Yes, we're very excited. We also get to offer we award big spirit sticks to some of the girls at the event, and then they get to cheer with us at a varsity game throughout football season. So that's really exciting. Wow. To give them that and then get to see them again at a football game.
Well, it sounds like an extraordinary opportunity. Let's go ahead and remind people it's going to be on Saturday, August 23rd from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes, ma'am.
What a great opportunity, and go Titans.
Yes,
it's going to be a great school year. We're looking forward to seeing the teams, the squads out there on the football field.
Yeah, we are very excited. Thank you so much for having us.
All right, and go West Warriors too. We love y'all as well. Yes. Be sure to have a great rest of your weekend, and follow us on our Facebook page, Crossroads Today. We'll catch y'all next week.